very good day, internet. Today I'll be transforming this pretentious cute face into this pretentiously still cute but ready for Halloween look. Let's go! First, I'm gonna grab my eyebrow pencil and then draw 3 lines that indicates where I want the cuts to be. This acts as a guide for layering different colors later. Next, I'm using my lipstick and casually glide over the lines. It's okay if it's not straight, it's not meant to be stiff. Next, use a brush to blend it out. And it should look something like this now. I'm using my eyebrow pencil to draw over the cuts again. This gives it some shadow and also acts as a guide. Once done, blend it. For the other side of my cheek, I'm adding a cute X cut, applying the same method I did for the 3 cuts. Moving on, grab your black liquid liner and draw over the cuts. Don't worry if it's not straight, it should look natural and organic. FYI, you can also thicken the middle section of the lines for a more realistic cut. And this is how it currently looks like. Now I'm just going to load up my brush with a neutral brown and just smack it on top of all the lines. Please don't forget about the X as well. Now I'm loading up my brush with a burgundy reddish brown and just kinda randomly dab around the area, you know, wing it. Now I'm relining my black lines over with the eyeliner again because the eyeshadow muted away the blackness, and without the blackness, it will not create the depth we need for the cuts. Also, feel free to add in any more reds and browns into the cuts if you want to. There's no limitation. Now grab a flat brush and dip it with your concealer and kind of mark just beside the eyeliner. I'm sorry, I couldn't get a good shot of this. I didn't know I was so close to the mirror, but you get the gist. Now for the other side of the face, instead of loading the concealer just beside the liner, you want to do it in between all of the cuts and around the redness. Okay? Now I'm adding more red to it because I want it to look more bloody. Hey, it's optional really. And ta-da-da, this is how I look currently, and we are just left with one more step that will bring out the entire look. The plaster! Please go to your room and get it now. If you don't have, go down to 7-Eleven or any convenience store to buy one. Now! Now we want to make sure the plaster looks dirty and not new, so I'm just dipping it all over with the red. Ho 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 ho, your cute nightmare is here! So how do you guys like this look? I think it's super easy to do. It's okay if you can't get it the first time. Like I always say, practice makes perfect. So I hope you guys try it for Halloween, and bye. Love you!